Honorable Chair of this session, Professor A.K.M. Obaidul Islam, Vice Chancellor, Bangladesh Open University, Honorable Chief Guest, Chairman, Bangladesh University Grants Commission, Senior Secretary, Ministry of Education, Mr. Siddiq Zubair, Professor M. Shamsher Ali, Lighthouse of Bangladesh Open University and Professor Emeritus currently, Vice Chancellor Academic, Nazrin Madam, and everyone else here. This is such an auspicious ceremony, and my role is rather ceremonial. I do not have to say a single word actually. When Professor Islam, our Vice Chancellor, was delivering, Shamsher Ali sir was sharing with me that he is doing it all, like my part, thank-giving, is already delivered by our Vice Chancellor. So my task is rather ceremonial. I actually, it's a heartfelt gratitude and thanks for thanks to all the dignitaries for your graceful presence. And I believe Commonwealth Educational Media Center for Asia, their involvement, Mr. Sadraj, his involvement and kind cooperation, involvement of our ministry, involvement of UGC. This will help Bangladesh Open University to fulfill its goal and commitment to the country, to the people. And I agree with Mr. Secretary, Mr. Siddiq Zubair, as he said, this is not the end, just the beginning, and I hope this venture will continue and achieve its proper fulfillment. I thank you everyone in front of this arrangement and behind the curtain. I extend my heartfelt thanks to everyone, and thank you all. Let's, if the chair permits, we can go for lunch now, and then we will come back for the working session. Thank you, everyone.